Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change Apple ID password on any iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you want to change your Apple ID password, so let's see how can you do that. You have to open your settings, and here very first thing you have to make sure that you are connected to a strongest internet connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. Once you have checked, you have to tab on your Apple ID or your name in settings, and here you just have to select the option of sign in and security, and then select change password. Here you have to enter your iPhone passcode, and once you have entered, you can easily change your Apple ID password. From here you have to enter a new password and then retype a new password, and you have to read this description also. You have to must your password must be at least 8 characters long and include a number, an uppercase letter and a lowercase letter also. So after following these instructions, you can easily change your Apple ID password. So in this way you can easily change your Apple ID password on any iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.